In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HubSpot forms for your website. Forms are a powerful way to gather information from your visitors, whether you're collecting leads, conducting surveys, or gathering feedback. With HubSpot, you have the tools to design professional, user-friendly forms that align with your branding and integrate seamlessly into your website. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you'll find a link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account. This is essential because logging in gives you access to all of HubSpot's powerful features, including the tools you need to create and manage forms. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can set one up directly from the homepage. Once you're logged in, take a look at the HubSpot dashboard. Locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or cog symbol. Click on it to open your settings menu. If you're having trouble finding it, just look in the upper navigation area of the dashboard. It's typically there. In the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the section labeled Tools. This is where HubSpot organizes its suite of functionalities. Under Tools, click on Marketing, and this will open a drop-down menu with more options. From this menu, select Forms. This will take you to the form creation area. Now that you're in the form creation area, you have two options to get started. You can either choose from one of HubSpot's pre-designed templates, which can save you time if you're looking for a quick and polished solution, or you can start from scratch if you want complete control over the design and layout of your form. Pick the option that suits your needs best, and let's move on to the design phase. Using the form editor, it's time to customize your form. You can add various fields like text boxes, drop-down menus, and checkboxes depending on the type of information you want to collect. For example, if you need to gather email addresses and names, add simple text fields. If you're offering multiple choices, a drop-down menu or checkbox might be more appropriate. As you work, pay attention to the design elements. HubSpot allows you to customize colors, fonts, and other visual details to ensure your form matches your website's branding. This not only creates a cohesive look, but also enhances the professional feel of your forms. Keep in mind that less is more when it comes to form fields. Only include the fields that are absolutely necessary. Overloading your form with too many fields might discourage users from completing it. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to finalize your form. Review everything carefully to make sure all fields are working as intended. The design looks clean and you've included any key elements that are important for your audience. The final step is to integrate your form with your website. HubSpot provides the tools to make this step simple. You can use the code snippets HubSpot generates for you and embed them directly into your website. Or, if your website platform supports it, take advantage of direct integrations to connect your form seamlessly. This step is crucial because it allows your form to go live and start collecting data from your site visitors immediately. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and integrate HubSpot forms for your website. Forms like these can be a game changer for collecting valuable data and improving your engagement with visitors. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using forms on your site, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.